Good afternoon, everyone. We will talk about why firms invest and borrow. So, before I proceed, what is firm? So, a firm is a business organizations that seek to make a profit through the sales of goods and services. So, the term firms is synonymous with business or company. So, a firm is business or company. So, we will proceed to our topic: why firms invest and borrow. So, if the company needs more capital, the first choice is a bank loan. Why bank loan is a first choice? Because a business loan will help you to increase your working capital. This can be very helpful, especially when the business or company short on cash. But you need to repay the full amount you took up plus the interest. That's why the firms borrowing money to start, invest, and to earn more money. So we will proceed to another topic: methods by which financial markets transfer funds. So the financial markets offers to any company on how to transfer funds, which is the direct and indirect finance. So the direct and indirect finance involves transferring funds from those who have to those who have not, from savers to borrowers, from lenders to spenders. So how we can identify that if it is a direct finance? So the words direct, like for example, lending. Yes, lending can be example of direct finance. This is because the borrowers borrows funds directly from the lenders. No need na sila mo no need na sila magkuan og third party. Wala na involved na third party like intermediaries. Direct ra gid siya, like magprenirmahay ra bitaw og kontrata. Some of the example like family member. Mubarrow ka og money sa imong family member. Mana direct. So sa indirect, how we can identify that if it's an indirect finance? So sa indirect finance, diri na mosud ang intermediaries. Naanan magamit na ta og third wheel. So on the other hand, the indirect finance borrower borrows money from the financial markets. The indirect finance the indirect means such as a bank or financial intermediary. Some of examples of financial intermediaries, which is the commercial bank, savings bank, pension funds, savings and loan associations, and credit unions. Muna sila yung mga example sa financial intermediaries. You can identify also the indirect finance by looking at the involvement of intermediaries. So mana akong gingon sa indirect sa direct finance, dili na siya mag need of intermediaries, like direct na gyud. Direct ka makapahuwa mo kwarta, like mahuwam ka sa imong family members, sa imong friends. Dili sa indirect finance kay mag-need na ka og intermediaries, need na ka og third party. So you can identify also the indirect finance by looking at the involvement of intermediaries such as a bank loan. So mo na akong gingon sa indirect sa direct finance, no need na ka og third wheel or third party para maka-borrow ka og money. Like ang inyo rang instrument bitaw kay contract. Mana manghuam kasi mong friends, manghuam kasi mong family member. Sa words direct, mao nay atong basihan. So sa indirect finance na involves na ang intermediaries such as a bank. Therefore, this situation intermediaries like bank, credit union, or other financial institution are involved in processing and facilitating the transactions. So you can identify indirect finance by looking indirect transactions. And indirect finance transactions occurs between the borrowers and the intermediaries. So sa direct finance, di ba, wala na third wheel, wala na third party, contract la. Pero sa indirect, na ang intermediary, such as a bank, and not directly between the borrower and the lender. So, indirect finance by the commercial banks depositing customer, the bank is only performing intermediaries who facilitating. Unlike the indirect finance, only the instrument which is a contract. So man ato ang gingon sa indirect finance, kontrata ra ilang kinahanglan. Then sa indirect finance, mag-need na sila og intermediaries, mag-need na sila og third wheel who facilitating both sides, who explain both sides para sa ilang transactions. That's all. Thank you.